Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're gonna keep working with the model registry in MLflow, specifically about updating model metadata. So, as always, I'm going to start by importing MLflow. Now I'm going to import this random forest classifier from scikit-learn. Now here I'm going to register my model. I'm going to use the scikit-learn flavor from because I'm using the scikit-learn object, of course, and lock the model. Now, as you can see here, the parameter registered model name contains this value, which is the name that I want to use to register my model. So let me run this, and MLflow automatically will create the model and the first version for that model. So if I go to the interface, here we can see the random forest classifier and the version and the first version that is associated to this model. So as you can see here, there are some fields, for example description, that you can edit from here. But let's see how we can use the SDK to update this description. So back to the notebook. And the methods that I'm going to use next are methods from the client. So I'm going to create an instance of the client here. And the first method is update registered model, which takes the name and description. So here I'm going to use the method update registered model, provide the name of the model that I want to update and the description. Now let me go back to the notebook, to the UI. And here there is no description, but if I refresh this page, now we have the description. Let's get working on the notebook. Let's see how we can add tags to the model. In this case, we can use the method setRegisteredModelTag, which takes the name of the model that you want to update, the key and value. So for this example, I have this dictionary with tags that I want to attach to my registered model. So I'm going to use this for loop to iterate over this dictionary and attach the tag to the registered model. So let me run this. And now let me go to the interface. We don't have tags here, but now we have the tags. Now you can also edit, delete, or maybe update tags using the interface. This interface is quite flexible. Let me go back to the notebook. Now let's talk about model alias. What is model alias? Well, an alias is basically metadata that you can use to organize the different model versions. So here I have a list of aliases, right? They are like names. And to set an alias, I need to use the method setRegisteredModelAlias. I need to provide the name of the model that I want to update, the alias, and the version. So what I'm going to have is basically all these aliases associated to this particular version. Let me go to the interface. And now here, if I go to register models, then random forest classifier, here we can see that this particular version is associated, or it has like 3 aliases: candidate, champion, and development. Now, it's important to understand that you cannot have the same alias for multiple versions, which means that you cannot have like 3 model versions that are champion, for example. You only could have like a single version that is a champion, right? So I'm going to elaborate more about aliases in the next video. But for now, this is all for this video. Thanks for watching it and see you next time.